Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking you into the world of pure elegance, performance, and cutting-edge luxury, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680. This isn't just another grand tourer, it's a statement of craftsmanship, technology, and prestige rolled into one stunning convertible. The SL680 redefines what it means to experience open-top driving in supreme comfort. It combines the elegance of Maybach design with the performance heritage of Mercedes-AMG, a union of luxury and power unlike anything else on the road. Let's explore this masterpiece in every detail. Body panels. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680 wears its beauty like a tailored suit. The body panels are sculpted from lightweight aluminum and high-strength composites to ensure rigidity while minimizing weight. Each contour and crease is purpose-built to enhance aerodynamics, reduce drag, and maximize performance. The chrome accents along the doors, fenders, and beltline underscore the Maybach's distinct identity, shimmering elegantly in sunlight. The seamless integration of the soft top roof gives it a clean, uninterrupted profile whether the top is up or down. Every inch of the SL680's exterior reflects handcrafted precision and aerodynamic intent. Headlights. Up front, the SL680 features digital light headlights, each containing over 1 million micro mirrors that project adaptive beams for optimal illumination. They not only light up the road but can also project symbols, such as lane guidance or warning icons, directly onto the pavement. The light signature, highlighted by Maybach exclusive jewel-like detailing, gives the car a regal and futuristic presence even before it moves. The lighting automatically adjusts intensity based on road and weather conditions, ensuring maximum visibility without dazzling oncoming drivers. Taillights. At the rear, the taillights feature a 3D helix LED design, giving depth and dimension to the illumination pattern. The flowing red light elements emphasize the SL680's wide stance while maintaining that unmistakable Maybach identity. The taillights seamlessly integrate into the body lines and subtly animate during startup and shutdown sequences, creating a sense of ceremony every time the car comes to life. The lighting isn't just beautiful, it improves safety by enhancing visibility from all angles. Grille. The iconic Maybach waterfall grille dominates the front fascia, adorned with vertical chrome slats and a subtle Maybach inscription at the top edge. It's flanked by active air intakes that open and close automatically to balance cooling and aerodynamics. The grille's commanding design reflects both strength and sophistication, instantly identifying the SL680 as a symbol of luxury performance. A hand-polished chrome finish and the upright Mercedes three-pointed star on the hood complete this majestic front-end statement. Seats. Step inside, and the SL680 welcomes you into a world of pure craftsmanship. The executive-grade Napa leather seats are individually stitched and hand-fitted, available in exclusive Maybach color schemes like crystal white with rose gold accents or deep obsidian with diamond quilting. These seats are more than just beautiful. They're equipped with active massage, ventilation, and climate balancing systems that automatically adjust to your body temperature. The AirScarf neck warming system ensures you stay comfortable during open-top drives, even on cool evenings. Every seat offers 20-way adjustability and memory functions for personalized comfort. Dashboard. The dashboard is a masterclass in digital craftsmanship and traditional design. A sweeping, sculpted wave dashboard integrates rich wood veneers, soft leather, and ambient lighting that flows continuously across the cabin. The central display elegantly rises from the console, angled slightly toward the driver for easy access. The Maybach crest subtly embossed into the leather reminds you that this is no ordinary SL. This is the pinnacle of luxury motoring. The air vents, shaped like turbine blades, add a sporty yet refined touch to the cabin's serene atmosphere. Infotainment system. At the heart of the cabin is the MBUX Hyperscreen 2.0, stretching almost pillar to pillar with 3 OLED displays seamlessly blended into one glass panel. The interface is powered by artificial intelligence that learns your preferences over time, from seat temperature to music playlists. The Maybach-specific user interface adds bespoke animations and themes, including a lounge mode for relaxed cruising, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4D Burmester high-end sound system transform the cabin into a concert hall on wheels, with speakers integrated directly into the seats for an immersive listening experience. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is wrapped in dual-tone Napa leather with chrome Maybach inserts and a flattened base for sportier control. Touch-sensitive controls allow you to navigate menus, adjust driving modes, or control music without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Behind it, the digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, navigation, and hybrid power flow information. The steering system is finely tuned for both agility and comfort, offering an effortless, silky smooth feel whether you're cruising or cornering with intent. Engine. Beneath the long sculpted hood lies a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, hand-built by Mercedes-AMG's master technicians. It produces an astonishing 710 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, propelling the SL680 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Power is delivered through a 9-speed automatic transmission with 4MOTOR Plus all-wheel drive, ensuring seamless traction and incredible acceleration in any condition. Despite its power, the engine operates with an almost silent refinement, delivering an unmistakable sense of effortless dominance. Hybrid option. For the first time in an SL Maybach, the 2026 model introduces a plug-in hybrid option. This system combines the V12 engine with an integrated electric motor producing an additional 150 horsepower. The hybrid setup allows short-distance electric-only driving, perfect for city cruising, while boosting overall performance when desired. The hybrid mode intelligently manages power flow for maximum efficiency, resulting in smoother transitions and reduced emissions without compromising the legendary Maybach power delivery. Airbags. The SL680 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of intelligent airbags, including front, side, knee, and even head-protecting curtain airbags integrated into the doors, a rare feature for a convertible. Mercedes' pre-safe system anticipates collisions using radar and camera sensors, adjusting seat positions, tightening seatbelts, and inflating air chambers to protect occupants milliseconds before impact. It's one of the most advanced passive safety systems ever fitted in a Grand Tourer. Parking assist. Parking such a luxurious Grand Tourer is effortless thanks to active park assist with surround view. Using a 360-degree camera network and ultrasonic sensors, the system automatically identifies suitable spaces and can steer the car into them with minimal driver input. The transparent hood view feature even displays a live feed of what's underneath the front of the car to help with curbs and obstacles. Additionally, the SL680 supports remote parking via smartphone, allowing you to move the vehicle forward or backward while standing outside, perfect for tight garages or narrow streets. Battery. The hybrid version of the SL680 uses a 25.5 kWh lithium-ion battery integrated seamlessly into the car's chassis. This battery not only powers the electric motor but also supports the car's extensive electrical systems. It's designed with intelligent cooling and thermal management for optimal longevity and consistent performance. The low placement improves the vehicle's center of gravity, contributing to its balanced handling and stability at high speeds. Lighting. Ambient lighting in the SL680 is an experience in itself. With over 64 customizable color tones, the lighting follows the car's contours, from door panels to footwells, creating a calming and luxurious atmosphere. The lighting even reacts dynamically to driving modes: red for sport, blue for comfort, and gold for Maybach mode. Externally, the headlights and taillights feature welcome animations, greeting the driver in a graceful sequence as they approach the vehicle. Charging. The plug-in hybrid SL680 supports fast DC charging up to 80 kilowatts, allowing a full charge in just about 25 minutes. It also includes regenerative braking, converting kinetic energy into electric power during deceleration. The smart charging system communicates with home wall boxes or public stations to optimize charging speed and energy use, ensuring both convenience and efficiency. Trunk space. Even as a luxury roadster, the SL680 offers a surprisingly practical trunk space of 8.5 cubic feet, enough for weekend luggage or designer travel bags. The trunk lid is electrically operated and can be opened via gesture control, making access effortless when your hands are full. Folding seats. While the SL680 is a two-seater, its cabin storage options include foldable rear bulkhead panels and compartments behind the seats. These cleverly designed spaces allow extra room for small items or golf bags, blending practicality with exclusivity. Roof rails. Instead of traditional roof rails, the SL680 uses hidden mounting points for optional accessories like ski racks or custom Maybach travel trunks. The soft top roof itself operates electronically, retracting in just 15 seconds at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, letting you transition from coupe to convertible elegance in an instant. Price. Luxury of this caliber doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680 starts at approximately $380,000, with fully customized configurations easily surpassing $450,000. Optional Maybach designo packages, exclusive paints, and bespoke interiors can push it even higher, a testament to its exclusivity and craftsmanship. Release date. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680 is expected to make its official debut in late 2025, arriving in dealerships just around the same time the 2026 Toyota Corolla hits showrooms. And that's a wrap on our in-depth look at the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL680, a convertible that doesn't just redefine luxury, it sets a new benchmark for refinement, performance, and elegance. From its handcrafted details to its monumental V12 heart, this car is a celebration of everything Maybach stands for. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews of the world's finest machines. Tell us in the comments, would you take the Maybach SL680 for a mountain drive or a city cruise? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay classy and keep driving in style.